Hi, this is Sir Darren, your online teacher.
Today we are going to solve for a partitive proportion. Let's have this problem for instance. Okay, so in a class of 40, the ratio of boys to girls is 3 to 5. Okay, so we underline 40 there. Okay, and the question is how many are girls and how many are boys? So we're going to get the ratio of that, which is 3 to 5. Okay, you remember that we have girls and we have boys here. So girls comes first in 3 to 5. And boys come second. So let's write 3 to 5 first here. And then the other underline, which is 40, you're going to write it just across. Let's write it. Okay, 40. So we got here 3 to 5 and 40. Those are the given numbers that we have. So 3 to 5, you are going to add that. Okay, so if you're going to add that, so 3 plus 5, you'll get the sum of 8. Okay, so let's write it there. Okay, now what are you going to do that 8? Of course, we are going to use that 40, which is the sum of the total number. Okay, and we are going to get that sum from the ratio and make it a divisor. So 40 divided by 8, that will become 5. Okay, but that is not yet the answer. Okay, that 5 is just our multiplier. All right, that is not yet the answer. Okay, that is our multiplier, and then we are going back to the ratio, to the given ratio that we have, which is 3 to 5. Okay, so 3 times our multiplier, which is 5, and 5 times our multiplier, which is also 5. All right, so you're just going to get the product there, which is 15, and here is 25. Okay, so 15 is for girls because it comes first, and 25 for boys, which comes second. So let us check if our answer is correct. Okay, because you need to check it. Okay, because if you're not going to check it, there will be possibility that your answer is wrong. So let's just get these answers and add. Okay, so 5 plus 5, we got 10, and we got 40. That is the total number. All right, so 40. Our answer is correct. All right, so let's have another example, which is the ratio of the three sides of a triangle is 1 to 2 to 3. What are the measurement of each side? If the perimeter of the triangle is 120 centimeters, so I underline there 1 is to 2 is to 3, and the sum, which is 120. Okay, so we're going to write the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3 here, and the sum, which is 120 across. Okay, and then the ratio, what are we going to do? Okay, we are going to add. Okay, we are going to add that 1 plus 2 plus 3, and we are going to get the sum of 6. And that 6, okay, you are going to use that as your divisor to the sum, which is 120. So 120 divided by 6, we're going to get 20. Okay, so that is our multiplier now. Okay, and then we are going back to the ratio that we have, which is 1 is to 2 is to 3. So we're just going to write it there. 1 is to 2 is to 3. And you're going to multiply it by 20. Okay. And then let's get the product. Okay, so 1 times 20, we got 20. 2 times 20, we got 40. 3 times 20, we got 460. All right. Okay, 20, 40, and 60. Don't forget that there is a unit of measurement, which is centimeter. All right. Okay, now let's check. Let's check if your answer is correct. Okay, let's add this product. So we got 0 here, 2, 4, 6, and we got 120. 120 centimeter, that is correct. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's have another problem here. So let's have this 3 to 1 to 4, and there is 112 kilogram. Okay, so be careful with this. Okay, There is a second question here. How much heavier is Bong than Rico? Okay, so let's write 3 is to 1 is to 4. All right. Okay. So that is our ratio, and the sum just across, which is 112. Okay. So what are we going to do again with the ratio? We are going to add. Okay, so we got 3 plus 1 plus 4. We got 8 as our sum, and we are going to use that as our divisor with the sum, which is 112. Okay, so let's write it there. Divided by 8. So what's the answer there? 112 divided by 8. What's the answer? What do you think is the answer? Mm-hmm. Wow. There you go. We got 14. Okay, so 112 divided by 8 is equal to 14. So that is our multiplier. All right? That is our multiplier. That is not yet the answer. All right, so we are going back to the ratio that we have given. So 3 is to 1 is to 4. We are going to write it 3, 1, 3, and 4. And we are going to multiply that with our multiplier, which is 14. Okay, 14. Okay, and we are going to get the product. Okay, so 3 times 14, what is the answer? We got, what do you think? We got 42. Very good. Okay, so 1 times 14. Okay, what is the answer? We got, of course, we got 14. How about 4 times 14? Uh-huh. Keep on trying. 4 times 14, we got 56. All right. Okay. So we got here 42, 14, and 56. Okay. So we are going to get, okay, remember that our ratio, Santino, comes first. So 42 is for Santino. And Rico, okay, comes second. So 14 is for Rico. And Bong is 100, comes third. So Bong is 56. And remember that we have unit of measurement here, which is kilogram. Okay, so you're just going to put it. Never forget that. Okay, now let's check if our answer added or we'll get the sum of 112. Okay, so let's just add this one. Okay, and we got 11 here. All right, let's try it. Okay, so we got 112. So our answer is correct. Now we are going to concentrate with the questions. So it says here what is Santino's weight and how much heavier is Bong than Rico. Okay, so I'm going to answer first the second question because it is quite harder than the first question. Okay, so how much heavier is Bong than Rico? So we are going to get the weight of Rico, which is 14 kilograms, and we are going to get the weight of Bong, which is 56 kilograms. Okay. Now, if you are going to observe, there is a word than there. Okay. And it denotes what kind of operation is that? Very good. It's subtraction. Okay. So than denotes subtraction. So it means that you are going to subtract this number. Okay. So we got 56 minus 14. Okay. The answer will be, so 6 minus 4, we got 2. Okay, and 5 minus 4, we got 42. So we got 42 kilogram here in our second question. So 39 kilogram. Now, the first question is, what is Santino's weight? Of course, that's very simple. It's given already there. 42 kilogram. That is Santino's weight. All right. Now, we answered all the questions clearly. Thank you for watching, and kindly share and subscribe in our channel for more videos coming. So this is your Sir Darren, your online teacher, signing off.